Hello students, today we will continue chapter 7 forms. Students, in our previous class we have discussed how we can create a form using form design option and how we can add fields using property sheet and add existing field. You know how we have added these fields. Today we will learn how we can add various list box and combo box in our form and how we can add label to our form as well. To add a list box or a combo box, the procedure is same. Here we are learning how we can add a list box in our form. So for that you need to go to design tab. Okay, here you will find option of list box. Click on that and one plus sign will appear and you can place it where you want to make your list box. Here I am clicking, so here is your list box and it is written list 5 and unbound. So we will change its name. To change the name of the list box, first we need to select the list box and you need to click on property sheet from the tools group. Here under caption you will find the name list 5 is written. Just go there and rename it. I have written subjects in place of list. As soon as I click here, the name of the list box is change, as you can see here. To add list to this box, you need to click on the box name unbound and here under property sheet you will find a data tab. Under that you need to change few things. Click on row source type. Here this is third one. Click on that, you will find a drop down button and select value list. After that you need to click on source, row source, and here you need to write the list. Here I am writing subject's name Hindi, English, Maths, Science, SST. Here it is written type each item on separate line. So I have written each subject on separate line. After that click on OK. The subjects name are here. Later on we can see when we view our form in form view. To add the name of the form you need to go to these control groups. Here you will find this option called label. Click on that and you will find a plus sign with the A. Just drag the cursor and make space for that and you can write name of the form. You can also edit it. You can change the font size, color, and font as well, like this. So after creating this form we will view this under form view. Okay, so this will show how our form will look like. Fine. See, this is the list of subjects and we can select whichever we want. And I have made one more form where I have used combo box. Okay, and when we will view it As form view, you can see a drop down list will appear, and from where we can choose various subjects. So in form 1 I have created list box, and form 2 I have created combo box. This is how you can add label to your form or that title, or you can add combo box and list box to your form. After this, from the quick access toolbar, click on save button and your form will be saved. And under forms group you will find form 1, form 2.